Little kids love bikes. It's probably the reason why I got a bike, because I was greasing over everybody that had one when I was a little kid. What's up, guys? It's Mike, the Smokin Monkey, banging gears right back at you. And we're coming back to you with a good one today, one that's been requested by a lot of people. And that is, how do I make my vlogs? And what kind of gear do I use? And I'm going to be going over my camera gear, my vlogging gear, as well as I'm going to be talking about just my regular motorcycle gear that I use from day to day. I'm sure you guys all have gear that you guys use, but just for those people that are curious what I actually have on me while I'm on the road, this is that video. I thought, why not go back to my place and I'll pull out all my gear and show you guys exactly what we're dealing with here. And let's jump to that right now. So here we are, guys. We're back at the garage. I've got all my gear here for you, and the first thing that I want to do is show you my my vlogging setup, just so you guys can actually see what I've been using to shoot my videos. And the rest of the video will be shot like this, because I use all of this just to get the better picture for you guys, get better audio for you guys, and just in general make a better quality video. So without further ado, this is how my helmet is set up. So this is my helmet and vlog setup. What I use is a GoPro Hero 7 Black and a Tascam DR05 to capture the audio. I dropped it. It's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look like this on both sides, but you guys get the point. Now what happens is I plug this in to an external mic that I run on the inside of the padding, and it sits right there, and it's got a couple of wind protectors on it. That's why the audio comes out so clean. And believe it or not, I'm actually using this to capture the audio right now, so it actually comes out really good. The helmet is a Chaos, as you guys can see, and I don't actually recommend this helmet. It's an alright helmet. It's cheap and it's carbon fiber, so it's nice and light, but it does give you quite a bit of wind noise, and the insulation is poor. If it's cold, you really feel it, and the ventilation is also poor. If it's hot, you also really feel it. So I don't recommend it. I will be getting something new, but it is what I've been using for the time being. It has my mounts here. All my videos recently I used this mount. I actually just have a regular GoPro mount here, the sticky mount, with a couple of extension pieces that I put on myself to position the camera to the angle that I want. And that's pretty much it for the camera and the helmet. These guys cost around 125 bucks, and if you guys are thinking of doing moto vlogs, this will save your life in terms of audio. And back to the gear. If we start with my shoes, and I'm warning you guys, my stuff isn't cleaned. I'm not here to show off. I'm just here to show you guys what I'm using. I've got some Alpine Stars riding boots, or riding shoes, and they come like this with a flat sole, no grip, and this is actually really nice for gripping the pegs and the brake and the shifter lever. As well, you have an extra padded area here, sliders, and a really nice rigid heel. So these are great for on-road. I love them. I've been using them for years, and I definitely recommend these. Gloves. These ones, I don't recommend anyone to ride around in these, but I do on hot days and short rides. These are Moto GP gloves, or these are motocross gloves. So if you're out on the dirt, that's what these guys are using, and I like them. They give me a great feel of the controls as well. They breathe really, really well. These are my everyday gloves. These are also Alpine Stars, carbon fiber knuckle, carbon fiber throughout the palm in different areas underneath there, as well as some gel on the fingertips and a reinforced palm. They're great. They also breathe. They have some breathability built into the fingers, and definitely great gloves. My vest. This is what I wear on all those days where you don't see me wearing a jacket. It is a padded motorcycle vest. It's got a hard front, so if you do go down on the front, this is made so you can slide on this, as well as a hard back. Like I said, minimal protection, but you know the risks you take when you go out, and be comfortable in what you're wearing, be confident in what you're wearing. Make sure that you're out there and not thinking about your gear, you're just thinking about the road and enjoying the ride. So that's that. And there's my vest. My jacket. Alpinestars jacket. Red because my old bike was red. Still have the same jacket. It's a little bit dirty. I need to put it in the wash, but I've been having a long season and I've been riding, so I haven't had time to wash it. It has padding in the back. You can probably hear that. It's got areas to put padding in the chest, but I don't have it in at the moment. Padding on the back, padding in the shoulders and the forearms, and you can add it to the chest if you want. There is an added liner I have for it for when it gets colder, and it's got tons of pockets. These are great jackets. I can't tell you the model name of the jacket because I've had this thing for about 6 years, so unfortunately I don't even know if they still make it, but anything Alpinestars is great. I recommend it. Just make sure you buy it like 2 sizes up because it's made for smaller people than North Americans, and most of the stuff runs really small. And to finish off, guys, I showed you guys my gear, my helmet setup. I also bring my drone with me wherever I go, just so that I can get those nice B-roll shots and all of that. It is a Mavic Air by DJI, and it's a great little guy. I love it. It does everything I need it to, and it fits in my bag really well. They're not cheap, but you get what you pay for. So there you have it, guys. There's all my vlog setup and my gear. This is what I use on a daily basis. It's not much, but it gets me through it. And honestly, you guys get the stuff that makes you feel comfortable. Get the stuff that you're going to enjoy riding with. And get the stuff that you can afford. Because if you go and buy cheap stuff, you're going to regret it later. But thank you for watching, guys. Please leave me a comment and a like. Don't forget to browse the channel and subscribe. I'm sure there's tons more videos for you guys on there. And I'll see you on the next one. Ride safe out there.